Are you tired of repeatedly visiting the bathroom throughout the night? Let's delve into the realm of nocturia. It's more than just a mere inconvenience. It can genuinely disrupt your sleep and drive you up the wall. The frustration is real, especially when your search for solutions leads you to credible authorities like Cleveland Clinic, WebMD, and Medline Plus, all echoing a common narrative. Nocturia is a normal part of aging, and medications are the go-to solution. However, this perspective doesn't align with the experiences of many individuals. Having battled with nocturia myself, unaware of its origins, I stumbled upon a commonly overlooked cause that promises genuine relief. When you explore online solutions, you encounter the same information across these authoritative platforms, perpetuating the misconception that nocturia is an inevitable part of getting older. Medications are commonly recommended, with some alternatives like herbs suggested, despite a lack of evidence and potential dangers associated with unregulated herbal supplements. Sarcasm aside, let's address a critical analysis from 2011 on adverse drug reactions, revealing a staggering 2.1 million serious injuries and 128,000 deaths in the US alone attributed to drugs. This prompts the question, are herbs really the riskier option? The prevailing narrative surrounding nocturia often attributes it to bladder or kidney infections, prostate enlargement, and aging, but there's a crucial factor consistently absent from these discussions. Imagine the kidneys as filters, regulating blood filtration and urine production based on the concentration of salts, sugars, waste products, and red blood cell breakdown products. When nocturia strikes, individuals often find themselves not emptying a full bladder, but just a small portion. This intriguing aspect hints at potential issues with the bladder's sensors and valves, controlled by the parasympathetic nervous system, also known as the rest and digest system. Here's where sugar comes into play. An excess of sugar in the blood, filtered by the kidneys, triggers a phenomenon called osmotic diuresis. This process results in an increased amount of urine production due to the excessive presence of sugar. Diabetics, those with mental hypertension, obesity, and obstructive sleep apnea all have elevated risks of experiencing nocturia, linking back to the common denominator of insulin resistance. Research even establishes a connection between sleep apnea and kidney physiology, affecting the bladder. This study found an increased association between hypoxia, lack of oxygen, caused by obstructive breathing, and diuresis. This underscores the intricate relationship between nocturia and broader health issues. The key question arises: what's behind sleep apnea, obesity, diabetes, and hypertension? The answer lies in insulin resistance. Ample research supports the claim that insulin resistance is a significant contributor to nocturia. So, how can you address insulin resistance and bid farewell to nocturia? Start by avoiding nighttime snacking and adopting intermittent fasting to reduce the frequency of meals. Additionally, limit your carbohydrate intake to less than 30 grams per day. These two actions pack a powerful punch against insulin resistance, with further enhancements possible through the addition of apple cider vinegar before meals and regular exercise. The journey to alleviating nocturia starts with understanding and addressing insulin resistance, and you have the tools to make it happen. Understanding the intricate relationship between insulin resistance and nocturia unveils a path to genuine relief. The conventional narrative surrounding aging and medication is challenged by real stories of individuals who have reclaimed their nights through dietary changes targeting insulin resistance. It's not just about managing symptoms, it's about addressing the root cause. If you found this information enlightening and are seeking a solution beyond the conventional, give this video a thumbs up. Remember, your journey toward peaceful nights starts with embracing the power to change your lifestyle. Wishing you restful and uninterrupted sleep ahead. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into optimizing your well-being.